Ever wondered if Vonage gives you a phone number? I mean, it's a communication platform, right? So it should, right? Well, let's dive into it and find out. Vonage overview. So what is Vonage? It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers a variety of services like voice, video, messaging, and more. It's popular among businesses and individuals who need reliable communication solutions. The phone number question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Vonage give you a phone number? Well, the answer is, drumroll please. It depends. The it depends factor. Vonage numbers. Vonage does offer a service called Vonage numbers. These are virtual phone numbers that you can use to make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and even set up voicemail. Think of them as your digital phone number. Benefits of Vonage numbers. Why would you want a Vonage number? Well, there are several benefits. Portability. You can keep your Vonage number even if you change your physical location. Flexibility. You can choose a number from a variety of area codes and countries. Features. Vonage numbers come with a range of features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and more. Other options. But that's not all. Vonage also offers other communication options that might not involve a phone number. For example, you can use Vonage's messaging platform to chat with others, or you can use Vonage's video calling feature to have face-to-face conversations. Choosing the right option. Your needs. So, which option is right for you? It depends on your specific needs. If you need a traditional phone number with all the bells and whistles, a Vonage number might be the way to go. But if you're primarily interested in messaging or video calling, you might be able to get by without a phone number. Consider your budget. Keep in mind that Vonage numbers typically come with a monthly fee. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options. So, to answer the question, does Vonage give you a phone number? Yes, it does, but only if you choose to get a Vonage number. There are also other communication options available through Vonage that might not involve a phone number. If you're interested in learning more about Vonage and its services, I encourage you to visit their website or check out their YouTube channel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.